How to fix login error of Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In this video I will simply guide you on how you can fix Spotify login error, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now login error could be happening due to multiple reasons. The first is the account issue, the second is the application issue, the third is the credentials issue. So first, to get started with the accounts issue, sometimes Spotify could have limited your IP address from accessing the server due to some kind of potentially malware or spammy behavior. To fix that, you have to change the IP address, and you can change the IP address by simply switching to cellular data if you're using Wi-Fi. Or else what you could do is, if you cannot manage to find a mobile data or cellular data, you can just use any of the VPN application, connect to a VPN that's going to change the IP address automatically, and then as a result you should be able to access their servers and then log into your account. In case that doesn't help, we're going to move on to the application issues. Sometimes the issue could be with the Spotify app itself, so make sure you've updated the Spotify app to the latest version. Once you've updated it, what you also want to do is just go ahead and then long press on the Spotify app icon. Let me just show you. Long press on the Spotify app icon, tap the I button over here, then scroll down, select storage, tap on clear cache. If possible, also clear the data. Now if you've downloaded any songs on Spotify, clearing your data is going to delete those downloads, so keeping that thing in mind. After that, what you want to do is just come back, and last but not the least, you want to make sure that your login details are correct. So open up Spotify, and then if your details are correct, it's fine. If not, then you'll just have to try to log in without password or reset your password or do whatever thing you can. So hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.